Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about GmailFarmerPro Withdrawal. How can one withdraw from this platform known as GmailFarmerPro? All these things we are going to be looking into in this very video. So all you need to do is to calm down and watch this video if you have been participating on this platform known as GmailFarmerPro and you don't know how to place your withdrawal. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to withdraw correctly without making mistakes. So all you need to do is to calm down and then watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. But before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I know, this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on this my channel on daily basis. So for you not to miss out any of my latest update, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Okay, then at the end of this video, if you're not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there for daily updates, for more business tips, and then the rest of them. That is what I share there on my WhatsApp group on daily basis. Okay, the link is there in the comment section of this video. Okay, so in this video we are going to be talking about every single thing. I'll briefly talk about what is GmailFarmerPro all about and how can one withdraw. So these things we are going to be talking about, and then we will talk about if it is legit or scam for the purpose of those hearing about GmailFarmerPro for the first time. So I will briefly talk about what is basically all about so that those who don't know, we have the full knowledge of what is about. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. As a result may vary based on how you use GmailFarmerPro. This video does not guarantee you any result. Please take note. You are advised to make your own research before using any platform. That is my advice to all my viewers. I always tell my viewers, my followers, please make research before you use any platform. So this is a tutorial video on how to withdraw. If you have been using GmailFarmerPro and you don't know how to withdraw, this is a guideline on how it's being done step by step. Okay, so what is GmailFarmerPro all about? GmailFarmerPro is a Telegram bot that claims that when people register and submit email which they have provided them, they will reward them with some USDT or some dollars. So that is what this platform claims to be. So when I came across this platform, I decided to test it if they are paying or not. Well, to my greatest surprise, I got paid and I was so happy. And then I decided to make a review video, and the review video which I made, if you did not watch that review video, the next video that is going to display is the review video. So you watch it so that we get to understand and then have the full knowledge of it. So I want to be brief in this video. So how to withdraw on this platform? How do we withdraw? So first, before you can withdraw, you might have earned before talking of withdrawing. So you can see the option of click on my account. So you can see everything. So this is your account status is active. Then you know that your account is active. Then you can see the option of balance. Then click on balance. So when you click on balance, then you will see the option of payout. Click on payout. So when you click on payout, you will now select the payment method you want. Which payment method do you want? Is it USDT or USDT BEP20 or USDT on turn? So the one I personally use, or the one I normally use, is USDT BEP20. This particular one you are seeing there. Then what do? Click on this thing. Click on USDT BEP20. Click on USDT BEP20. So when you click on it, then they will say please reply with your USDT BEP20 address. Then if you are using Binance or you are using Bybit or you are using BitGet exchange, so any of the exchange you are using, you go to that place and then you click on add fund or deposit depending on the exchange you are using. So if you want to add money to your exchange, you usually see deposit or this thing or add fund. Then what do you do there? Click on it, then copy your USDT BAPE20 address. That's BSC Binance Smart Chain. Then this option here, then type it, paste it here on the message. Then after you have pasted it, then you click on the send button. Do you understand? So you click on the send button and then you send it. Then it will automatically be added. So once it's added, then you can now see the option. You can now continue to place your withdrawal. Then you now choose the amount you want to withdraw. Then they will send it to you. That is how to place your withdrawal correctly from this platform known as GmailFarmerPro. So that's just it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, a lot of people are still looking for a way to withdraw. They don't know how to withdraw. How do we withdraw from this platform? So this is a complete guide on how to withdraw from GmailFarmerPro. So you may be helping people today by sharing this video to friends and family. Thank you, and may God bless you as you share this video. So have you been participating on this GmailFarmerPro booth, and what are your own personal experiences? You can also share it in the comment section of this video. Okay, thank you, may God bless you as you share this video, and remain blessed.